inch of rain over the last 4 days and got some water in the new section. I think I'll pump it out so I can do a little bit more digging. I made some pretty good progress by hand this weekend. I defined the steps there and I dug out to depth, at least as far as I can go with the shovel, about maybe 2/3 of the pond. Still a lot more soil to remove. Not sure where I'm going to put it all. But you can see from here the new section in the distance. Made some pretty good progress. But unfortunately we have a snapping turtle. The same one I think that was here last year has returned. And I got a little bit of video of it. It's a big snapper in our bass pond. He was eating the fish pellets earlier, right when it started to drop them. Here he comes. There he is. He saw me. They're really cautious, a little skittish. So much experience with the raiders of the ponds. Boy, they're all over too. This is good. Guess when we think we're losing them, they resurface. Bye-bye, heron.